Here is Seoul, South Korea. I'm Junghee from Enoki cooking class. What do you eat for your breakfast? Bread? Cereal? Maybe rice? Of course, in Korea, some people eat bread, some people eat cereal, but basically, Korean eat rice, include soup or stew, and a lot of side dishes, of course, with kimchi. Today, I prepared one of traditional Korean stew, which is Doenjang Jjigae. So let's start. So I prepared doenjang, which is fermented soybean paste, and water, onion, and spring onion, and mushroom. I prepared 2 different types of mushroom, and dried anchovy, which is 멸치. We can make broth with this one. And also to get broth, I prepared a dried kelp, which is 다시마, and tofu, dried chili powder. So that's it. Let's start. So I'm adding water. I add 1 liter of the water. And let's turn it on the gas. I'm adding dried anchovy, which is 멸치, the 마른 멸치. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 dried anchovy and 1 dried kelp. And then let's leave it. You can just use fresh water without anything. You can just prepare the chicken stock or any types of, the broth things. And let's prepare vegetable things. So onion. We call this 양파. And you can just cut at 1 bite size. Like this. And spring onion and slice. And mushroom. And this one is optional. If you're okay with spicy food, you can add spicy chili. And tofu, well, this one is 300 grams of tofu, but I'm using half of this one. So I'm using 150 grams of tofu. So let's make this size. Can you believe it? The broth is not ready, but I'm ready. Like, I cook everything. So we can just wait. And instead of this kind of vegetable, you can use potato, pumpkin, zucchini. If you're a big fan of seafood, you can add seafood like shrimp, clam, mussel, even squid, abalone. Or if you're a big fan of meat, pork or beef, but without fatty part. So that's quite changeable food. If you're a vegetarian, you can just use, water with radish or any other veggie things, and you can get veggie broth. So 된장 찌개 is basically not spicy at all. So if you need a spicy, like if you need just a little bit cake flavor, you can add chili powder or real chili. I prepared everything. So the fish broth is ready. So it's time to say goodbye with dried anchovy and kelp. And bye bye. So with strainer, all of this. Oh, it smells already really good. So to the broth, I'm adding this paste. Can you see this color and texture? We call this 된장. So this stew name is 된장 찌개. 찌개 is like somewhere between soup and stew. So let's add this paste. This paste from the soybean. So to get this paste from the soybean, it takes at least like 6 months. Long journey, right? So it's already really healthy and perfect paste. So I'm adding this amount of doenjang first. It's around 80 grams. So I'm adding 80 grams of doenjang paste first, and then we will check. With strainer, you don't really need to use strainer. I'm using this one because, just in case. Sometimes if I don't mix properly into the water, we can buy the chonko beans, right? It looks quite similar with Japanese miso, right? It's quite similar, but a bit stronger and a bit darker. That's the finish. Beep. So 1 liter water with 80 grams of doenjang paste is perfect. So let's add all the veg things. Mushroom, onions, and spring onion, and spicy chili. And we need to wait until, cook perfectly veggie things. I'm adding enoki mushroom and tofu a little bit later because this texture is quite soft, right? Until the veggie turns to soft texture, just leave it. So it's time to add enoki mushroom. It's around 100 to 300 gram. 130 gram of enoki mushroom. So enoki. And a bit of chili. If you need to add chili, of course, flavor is better and color turns to really pretty. Ooh. And last, tofu. Let's check it out. Yummy. It is really yummy. So let's leave it around 3 more minutes and then let's turn it off. I need to arrange this mess, please. Hey guys, it's done. I really need hot rice. Thank you for watching my channel. See you next time. Bye bye. Perfect bowl for the stew, right? So, tofu, mushrooms, onion. Oh my god, it looks great, right? I need a soup. And if you have this stew, you need rice. So soup must be always your rice size. Actually, my favorite way of eating this stew is rice put into the stew. Oh my god, double hot. So hey guys, the rice color is a bit different, right? I mix with 2 more different types of grain, but taste is exactly the same as like just normal rice. Hey guys, look at it. Especially in the winter season, oh my god, I'm eating tofu. And mushroom and onion, you should be careful because it's really hot. This texture and eating sound is amazing. Do I have to do ASMR? I have to finish it.